Hi guys! What's up? It's me again, Glenn. So for today's video, kuyugi ko ninyo with my Barbie friends na mag-beach.
You make my day complete. With every smile, with every beat. In your arms I'll find my peace. With you my world is so sweet.
So guys, we are on our way to Hermit's Cove, Aluginsan. This is actually our first time to visit the place. Kay mao ang gusto sa isa ka bayod dito mag-celebrate sa iya birthday. Na-excite ko, can't wait to explore and see what it has to offer. Let the adventure begin! So, naggamit mi og ways for our direction ug sa dihang di pa shortcut jud many ways. Naabot jud mi aning dead end dapita sa Barili. Anyways, nindot man pod ang view diri, makashock sa ka-beautiful sa place. Pang-pang na jud ni kaayo guys, maka-amazed. Bisan init kaayo, we took our selfies and videos to capture the beauty of nature. Ito na guys, papunta tayo sa exciting part. So since Waze give us a different road, we have to cross the mountains to reach the other side, where Hermit's Cove is located. At this point, di kulbat na jud ko maayo guys. As you can see, the road was very narrow and bura siya og wide lake lang. And sa ako side, kay makita jud na pangpang na siya. Hays kahadlok ba? And pag-abot na mo sa taas, rocky road na siya guys. As in, wala na mo na video kay nahadlok na mi. Anyways, it was a very challenging and thanks God nakaya ra jud. Yay! We have finally arrived at our destination, Hermit's Cove in Aluginsan. Makaligo na gyapon ko og dagat. So, dili pa diha nagtatapos ang challenge guys because we have to make our way down probably with 88 steps to the beach. Carrying these bags and other things, it's going to be a bit of a challenge. But the stunning beach at the end will definitely make it worth it. Right now, we have set up our tent and organized our things first. This is also our first time camping on the beach and we are excited to experience it. Nagduwa-duwa ko actually if makomportable ba ko sa tent and I'm so happy na gitry na ko ang inani na setup. So, nag-prepare me sa amo food for our dinner. Of course, we have cake for the birthday boy. Importante na adyan ang cake and like what they say, life starts at 40. Peace yot. Wow, kalami sa kinilaw oh. Tuna fish ang among gigamit ana as in lami jud kaayo. And now guys, the time has come to witness one of the beauty of nature, which is the sunset. Very calm, relaxing, makahilak jud ka as in sa kanindot wide mabayut. Daghan jud imo mga realization giring dapita. Tara guys, magsugba na ta. So naami pork, fish, and hot dogs. So ang hotdog di dyan na mawak. I will love hot dogs. Ina ang bayot kay makainom na siya og tequila. It was so nice having this kind of setup where your friends just have a relaxed mode, chit-chat to the max of course. Our journey to this place was definitely a challenge, thanks to Waze taking us on a detour. But in the end, it was really worth it. The place was so beautiful, beach was clean and crystal clear, and importantly, the staffs are so nice, very accommodating. And that's for today's video guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and share. See you on my next video. Bye-ers!